Illustrator has a powerful new tool that allows you to mock things up. So if you're interested in really upgrading your store or your online shop and you want to be able to create or mock up products that don't exist yet, this is a powerful tool that will enable you to put any of your images on a product, whether or not you download it as stock photography or if you actually take it, and that's a powerful part. But there's a little problem with the tool that I'm going to show you. It doesn't work from everything, but I have a workaround for you. So I'm in Illustrator right now, and I'm going to show you how the tool works. And then I'm going to show you what I need to do in order to figure out how not to wrap your image around any type of thing like handles or a lid. So I'm going to select this doodle here that I have, and then I'm going to go and select the image, and I'm going to go to Object, Mockup, Create Mockup. And it's going to take a while, but while it's taking a while, I'm going to explain to you something. So what it's doing is it's looking at the 3D photo and it's trying to determine where to place the image. It's doing its best job. It does give you an interactive tool, which I'm going to demo here now, but it's not always perfect. So right now I'm going to drag around the image all the way down at the bottom, and it's kind of creating this beautiful clipping mask that actually rotates around an object. So in this situation, it absolutely worked. I'm able to export that particular artboard as an image. But let's go ahead and try this particular image here. So I'm going to select the cup, and I'm going to select my drawing, and then I'm going to go to Mockup, and then go to Create Mockup. And then what it's going to do is it's going to kind of figure out what it needs to wrap around what. But is it going to wrap it inside the cup? Because I don't really want to, with my dye sublimation setup, I don't really want to print inside the cup, and I don't want to do the handles. So here, if I move the object around from the same exact tool, you can see that the actual design moved on the handle. And I really don't want that. So what I want to do is I want to back up, go to Object, go to Mockup, Release. Okay? So I'm going to put my image back down here at the bottom. But this time, I'm going to create a clipping mask that goes over the result of the mockup tool. I took my pen tool and I drew over the cup right here. I just drew over the cup and I created a clipping mask of the area that I wanted it to go. Now you would say that this is counterproductive because the mockup tool should do it. Here is the workaround. So I went ahead and I created my mask. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate this photograph. I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste and Back. So now I have a little photo in the back and I have a mask to go over it. Go to Object, Mockup, Create Mockup. My goal is just to get this up on my website so I can actually sell a product without actually having to make it. So here it is, the first interactive tool. I'm going to select it and it's inside of the cup here. And even though that it's wrapped, it's on the handle. So what I'm going to do is back out of my group or my mock-up clipping mess. I'm not sure what it's called. This mask that I created earlier, I'm going to put over the cup, the area that I want. And now I'm going to select the background area that I just created, the mock-up composition. Okay, so I'm going to select the top path, the bottom mock-up collection, and then I'm going to go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make. And now I have my mock-up in the area that I want it without having it on the handle.